trying to get this thing up to the ramp, up to the yard. Shit, bro. Squeaking like a bitch. Don't fall off. Yeah, boy.
I've been trying to keep my shit together, but I'm falling off.
Test pipe. 70 mil. Go with the J's Racing 70 RS. Hopefully everything goes well, we can put it on. Also got the little oxygen lamp sensor thing that you need so the light don't come on the dash. That works.
I just hit my phone and now I know I'm gonna pick it up. Baby, I'm gonna take off and drive 90 down the freeway. I don't care what she say, I just need to shoot this pain away. I've been trying to keep my shit together, but I'm falling off. Plug just hit my phone and now I know I'm gonna pick it up.
So the J's 70 RS single exit. Just unboxed it and that. I'm gonna take you underneath. I've just soaked these in WD-40, but that would not come off, I don't reckon, unless you cut it. So I'm so glad I could probably get to this side a bit easier where the cat unbolts. So hopefully it's just a couple of bolts there. You've got to unbolt that sensor as well to put in the sensor. But I've just sorted out. Yeah, I've just put WD-40 on all the rubber exhaust hangers as well. I don't know whether that helps, but test pipe, Tegiwa 70 mil. Next day delivery, I think what, 90 quid from the Tegiwa website. I think I'm saying it right, Tegiwa, maybe. Bought this little O2 sensor, eBay, next day delivery as well, 7 quid, maybe £9 actually. Apparently it goes in here, spacer, so you don't get that light. I think it just goes like that, I'm guessing. I don't know if it needs a washer or whatever, but it seems to fit in there nice and snug, I guess. Let me see that, sweet. You get loads of bolts and stuff in that test pipe as well. As you can see, all these bolts and shit. I think now, I don't know the best way is. I don't know what order to go in, but I'm probably gonna try to attach the test pipe onto the new exhaust. See how that goes. I just wanted to show you this. I've just fully unboxed the exhaust and it looks so fresh. I don't know if it comes across fresh on camera, but Jesus, it's polished, it's shining. Come on, camera, focus, focus. Ah, yeah. Test pipe. I am excited, fully excited. Oh, I'm doing this on my own right now, but fuck, this is going to be so heavy, so I think I'm going to have to call someone to come help me, help me.
Baby, I'm gonna take off and drive 90 down the freeway. I don't care what she say, I just need to shoot this pain away. Every second that I wasted, I'm thinking about you. You knew it was life or death, and now you tryna act brand new. You don't know about this life, baby. She don't know how much pain she caused.